Sony Music finally spoke out about Free Kesha, and it looks like they just dealt the pop star another setback. What's going on, guys? It's Rob Smith on Buzz 60. Kesha has been involved in a battle with her record label Sony Music and music producer Dr. Luke after she made allegations that he sexually assaulted her. She was recently in court to try to get her contract terminated, but the judge ruled against her. Kesha is signed with Dr. Luke's company and Kemosabe Records, a subsidiary of Sony Music also owned by Dr. Luke. Sony's lawyer said, Sony has made it possible for Kesha to record without any connection, involvement, or interaction with Luke whatsoever, but Sony is not in a position to terminate the contractual relationship between Luke and Kesha. Sony says they're doing everything they can to support her and that they think she can launch a comeback and be as big as Adele. In a letter to fans, Kesha said, "All I ever wanted was to be able to make music without being afraid, scared, or abused." Dr. Luke denies the allegations. He says, "It's sad that she would turn a contract negotiation into something so horrendous and untrue. We're just hoping everyone can come to an agreement so Kesha can get out of the courthouse and back on stage." Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.